You are the boss with affiliate marketing. It may seem like it is you against the world sometimes when it comes to dealing with affiliate marketing. With the vast amount of information available online, it can be nearly overwhelming at first. This video will provide much helpful information for you to get started on the right path. If one affiliate program doesn't work for you, try another one. The various programs are not all the same. They offer different products, services, and payment. Some allow more freedom and flexibility, such as color and design, to help match your site better. Finally, you can even see if your favorite vendor or store has its own affiliate program. Mix and match until you find a program that fits your needs. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for companies that offer front-end as well as back-end commissions. This will allow you to earn multiple commissions from each customer that you refer to the affiliate company's site, and allow you to develop a long-term relationship with your affiliate company. To get a wider range of visitors to click through to your merchants, give them choices. Rather than sell just one hairdryer, sell 5 hairdryers and let them choose their favorite. Giving your visitors options makes them feel in control of the situation. Providing choices also increases your chance of appealing to visitors with specific criteria in mind. In summary, you want to do all that you can to learn about affiliate marketing. There is a lot of information available, but we have provided some of the most important tips. Hopefully we have provided you with enough information to not only give you a solid background, but also further spark your interest for becoming an expert in it. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.